Oh, yes.
Dude.
That was the one, dude. I'm Adrian Gathright. I'm a professional businessman, entrepreneur. What happens is my body tends to get out of alignment. The pain in my knee lingers to this day, 30 plus years, and it's actually gotten even worse, and the mobility had gotten worse. Oh,
Just like that. Beautiful.
that was beautiful.
Good.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So let's say someone was watching this. What would you say to that person about incorporating chiropractic into their health routine?
I would say it's a must do. It really makes a difference in your entire life to me. And so I believe it would help others as well.